Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code alternative which is called as Neovim. It's a very good, very fast IDE. I personally tried this and it's based upon the very famous editor which is Vim. As you can see, this is the parent editor and it's built on top of it. It's called as Neovim, and once you go to the website you will have this function install now, and it's very faster than VS Code. Once you do this, you will land on this interface of releases. Simply select your operating system, and it's a very minimalistic IDE. You can see 11 megabytes, the size of it. Click on Start Download. So simply run the setup to install this. So once the installation completes, you will see automatically it will open, and you can actually write code in this. So you will get this pop-up, simply accept. So once it finishes, the IDE will launch, and you can see this is the IDE. And basically it runs directly in the terminal itself. It's an open source and freely distributable. It's based upon Vim, as you can see. So here you can have keyboard shortcuts. So if you, these are the basic things. If you are new, just type help, check Q to exit, help for help. Just right here. So we also have the tutorial, 10-minute video you can watch on YouTube as well. So to exit, so this is a terminal based editor, guys. You can see it's very easy to do this. So definitely check out this, install this inside your system, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.